All right, we're now back live with our end of day report for Tuesday, May 30th, 2023. Hopefully, everyone had a wonderful Memorial Day weekend. But now let's take a look at what's going on. So, as you can see, Bitcoin futures has come off of um, the neutralize, and now the market has a bullish trend momentum reading. So it's going back into bear market rally mode, or at least attempting to. Top of the Kumo cloud has proven to be very tough barrier. We got 28,000 and then 30,000 respectively. All right. And then we got the resistance here at 31,262. So you got three resistance zones right close to each other that is causing some trouble with Bitcoin after the nice little rally up. Now the market's like giving it all back and showing weakness again. But I think because you're in the buy the dip, buy the pullback with the green trend momentum reading now, the bullish trend momentum reading. It's not over yet. It's not a wrap yet. Not until this thing turns back red and the market reclaims the price action. So right now the bear market has not reclaimed the price action. We got a bear market rally position, and we'll see what the market's able to do with it. Next up, we got silver. So silver has a bullish trend momentum reading, and we have a bull market. So that means that silver is locked in. All right. So silver is locked in, even though it's in this Kumo cloud of consolidation. The price action has been reclaimed by the bull market. So this one looks like it may be ready to explode and get out of this Kumo cloud and just show people what it's made of. We'll see. We're in the buy the pullback, buy the dip mode now in silver. As far as nat gas is concerned, we're bull market with a bearish trend momentum reading still. So very difficult to get anything going in this market for the time being. Okay, next up we got the Dow futures. As you can see here, bull market with a bearish trend momentum reading, and this market is still being held hostage by the bearish trend momentum reading. Won't let it go. The last negative bot check was back here, and you see how the market came down just like we anticipated. So now the question is the market going to roll over? It's looking like it's going to go into free fall and fall outside the Kumo cloud like it did back here. So this Dow is in a very dangerous position right now. Very dangerous, folks. Now, last time the market was sticking out like this was back here, and that was a dangerous predicament because you fell below the Kumo cloud and you had the bearish trend momentum reading. Then you had the negative bot checks and just a mess. So this market has not been able to do anything, even though it's in a bull market position. That's not a good thing. So time is running out for the Dow. It's going to need to do something now, or it's going to face dire consequences with thousands of point drop coming. A point drop of thousands of points in the Dow. Next up is your NASDAQ 100. Bear market rally is trying to extend itself. You just hit a new fresh 52-week high, and you're doing it in a bear market rally, and you have a bullish trend momentum reading. So it's looking like this market wants to continue to do that. But now we're neutralized. After the 52-week high, we're neutralized for tonight going into Wednesday. So we will have to stand aside of the NASDAQ until it comes off the neutralize. Next up is gold futures. Gold futures are in a bull market with a bearish trend momentum reading. Still can't get up. Still in the Kumo cloud of consolidation and confusion. So we'll see. Or is it going to fall out the cloud and go into free fall? That 1900 still needs to be tested, and it hasn't tested the 1900 support yet. getting lower and like inching toward it, but the market's acting like it doesn't want to do it, but it doesn't have a choice as long as this bearish trend momentum reading is still active. All right, next up is the S&P 500, and you can see here you had a bear market rally, you had a bullish trend momentum reading. Now you have a bearish trend momentum reading and a crash alert for tonight into tomorrow's trading for the S&P 500. Yeah, looks like the bear market rally is over. The old spike high from the CPI data back in December of 41.83 and 3/4. Well, we hit 42.43. All right. So 42.43 beats 41.83 by 100 points. All right. So you know. So the bullish pointer of here has been taken out. Successfully tested and taken out. Now it looks like the market is saying it's done. And now the bear market has officially reclaimed the price action in the S&P 500. Once we get confirmation with downside production tonight into tomorrow, that'll seal the deal, and we have now a top in the S&P 500. Yep, and that's why the NASDAQ just went on neutralized for tonight into tomorrow. Let's see here. The crude oil is in a bull market, but it's neutralized still. And look what I told you. I told you the market's going to come down and take out this bearish pointer, and that's looking like the market's getting in position while it's on neutralized. It's going on neutralized, off neutralized, but now look at it. It's doing it. It's getting ready to do it, folks. I told you. Now, once it does this, I think it's going to shock some people because it's going to come down here, maybe even take out the 52-week low, but it's not going to stay down. It's only going to do it temporarily. Then I think it's just going to explode above $100 and get up to like 150, 160, 170. I think it's going to break 200. We're going to see all-time highs in crude oil, all right, in the near future. All right, you're hearing it here with the Algo Capitalist. On this day, May 30th of 2023, you will see $200 crude oil a barrel, maybe even $500+ a barrel in your lifetime. It's coming. All right, because they're breaking the market, because they're getting ready to take it to outer space and beyond. Looking at the Russell's in a bear market with a bullish trend momentum reading, has not been able to get a bear market rally going, and it's running out of time. Now you had another positive bot check here, got a little bit of upside, so we still may have a little bit more time to go. 1800, like I told you, is a tough resistance for this market. And then 1850 is the second resistance. It's really struggling with it. And I think this market is about to roll over. So in a matter of days, I think the bear market is going to reclaim the price action in the Russell after one more attempted run up. US dollar index price action has reclaimed. The bull market has reclaimed the price action. You're in a bull market. Bullish trend momentum reading. I told you that this market's going up, 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 and that's exactly what it is going to do for now. Ethereum's in a bear market with a bullish trend momentum reading, where it's trying to get a bear market rally going, but it's right here at resistance. 1900 and 1950 is a tough resistance all the way to 2000. So 1900, 1950, and 2000 key resistance areas for Ethereum. And you can see here the futures are struggling to break out above the Kumo cloud. You got a bullish trend momentum reading. So as long as that you got that green line there, it still has time to do so. It's still going to work at it. Every pullback or dip is going to be bid. as the market tries to break through. Now, if it fails and this green line turns red again and the bear market reclaims the price action, watch out, because the last time it did that, you had this crash alert, but you got a little bit of downside production, but that was it. This next time, though, if and when that happens, it's going to break the support and go into free fall. All right. And you don't want to know where your supports are because they're sub 1,000. All right. Just FYI. All right, folks. So not a lot to talk about. Not too much happened. Today was like a Monday because of the holiday. So not a whole lot to really, write home about. But as we get into the overnight markets and get into Wednesday, look out. All right. Now they're jawboning and giving lip service saying a deal has been met, but it has not. All right. It's me telling you, until it's voted on and until the gavel hits the ground, we have nothing. They're just talking about having a deal. All right. But nothing has been signed into law. It is not official tissue until it is. They're just talking about it. They're saying, look, we found some money, so we don't have to be afraid of June the 1st now. We can continue to lollygag until June the 5th. So that is not giving you hope, because now they're saying we can kick this down the road a few more days. We bought ourselves some more time so we don't have to make a decision, because they really don't want to do it. Not the way it is. They want to put more things in the bill to hurt the poor. All right. Everything they do, they make more rules and laws for you, taking more freedoms away from you while giving themselves immunity to the laws that they're passing for everyone else. They don't have to abide by. They get to be above the law because they believe in their brains that they are put here on the earth to rule and control you. They believe that they are over you, they're better than you, they're higher than you, and you don't have a brain. They have a brain, so they have to think for you and do everything for you. That is what the government has become. All right. It's not a government of the people, by the people, for other people. It's a government made up of corporate interest. All right. We live in a fascist society. You cannot tell the difference between government or business, because all the highest positions in government are held by corporate people. All right. That's just how it is. All right. The corporations have taken over the government. So you need to understand that. Take a look at who your Treasury Secretary is now. The ex-chairman of the Federal Reserve is now running your Treasury. Surely there's no conflict of interest there, right? Surely. Every high office of government is held by a corporate person. It's always been that way. It has never changed. The people who get elected are the ones that have the corporate interest behind them. So when they get in office, their number one job is not the citizenry. Their number one job is to fulfill the wishes of the lobbyists, of the corporations that got them elected in the first place, that brought them their way into office. That's why when people say this is what we want or vote a certain way, your government officials decide to go the opposite way. They don't care what the people want. It's what the government wants. All right. So, yeah, I like how you said that. Village Green said, rules for thee, not for me. Exactly. That's how they see it. That's exactly how they see that. All right. Y'all know what it is, man. Smash that like button. Remember, the system works if you work the system. Bulls make money, bears make money, and pigs get slaughtered. So remember to take what you can and give nothing back. And I'm out. Peace.